Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G51, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings and select Apps and Notifications. Over here choose Advanced and click on Permission Manager. Then pick one of your phone's features like Location and select one of your apps. I will go with Maps or Messages. Then select one of those options for this app. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with allow only while using the app, so when I go back, as you can see, messages just gained access to my device location if I'm using them. But you can always click on one of your apps, select see all messages permissions and manage all of them from this app, from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!